Welcome to PSM for Solution Math. I am your tutor Sumant PF. Today we are going to learn class 10 mathematics lesson constructions in that exercise question. So exercise 6.2, there is a question regarding the construction of a tangent. In that we have the first question: draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. So this is a question what they have given. So before going to construct this tangent, I have already done several videos before this circle lesson and the construction. If you are not new to this channel, just to go through that video and come back so that it will be continuous. So let us start this problem. So here according to the question we can see, draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Means here we have to construct a circle first. So one circle we will construct in a rough diagram, and which radius will be 6 cm. Next they have given a point you have to take which is 10 cm away from its center. Means the center what we are going to take, from that we have to draw one external point, one point away from the center, that is 10 cm. So you can take it on the right hand side or you can take it on the left hand side, it is left to you. So you have to take from the center, you have to take 10 cm away from it. So this is a 10 cm away from the O, and that point name you can give it to anything. That name I can give as P. So now OP is a line which is having the 10 cm. From this external point P, we have to construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure the length. Measuring the length we will do later on, but we have to construct a tangent. So from the P, we have to draw two tangents. You remember, from the external point to one circle we can draw two tangents. So this is one tangent and this is another tangent. We can draw from the external point P. So you can give any name for that. That is AB you can take, and it must touch at a single point. So afterwards we have to measure this PA length and PB length. So how to construct it we will go through now. So first, to construct this, first step is to draw a circle of how much centimeter, that is 6 cm according to the question. So let us draw that 6 cm circle. Take a scale, take a compass and measure the 6 cm in a compass. After measuring the 6 cm circle, we have to draw that circle now. So first you draw that 6 cm circle. So you can see here there is a 6 cm circle. After drawing that, take that center as O. So this is our circle of 6 cm. According to the rule, we have drawn the 6 cm circle. What is the next step? According to the question, again you can see there is a point called P which is 10 cm away from it. So OP value we have to draw. So take a scale directly and keep on this O and measure the 6 cm where it will come. Sorry, 10 cm where it will come. So 10 is here. So I have kept the 10 on this side. So you can watch it correctly, 10 cm. So from this O, I have to draw on towards this side, right hand or left hand side, it is left to you. I am taking to the left hand side. So this measurement is 10 cm. You can see it clearly. So this is our point, that is P. So if you want, you can write it down here. That is OP is equals to 10 cm. So we will take that OP is equals to 10 cm, and the radius, actually we don't know where we have drawn that 6 cm. We have the circle center, so directly I write down radius. So I have not given any name for the, from O to this point I have not taken any name. Later on we will take radius is equal to 6 cm. So from O it is. So now what is the next step? Next step is simple. This PO line what we have, this one we have to bisect. Means we have to find the middle point of this PO. So it is total 10 cm. So midpoint will be 5 cm only. But without using the scale, we can construct this the midpoint. We can find the midpoint. So to do that, keep on P and take any measurement. But remember, when you will take a measurement, take more than half. More than half of this PO line. So more than half of the PO line you take down and draw one arc over here. Similarly, how to draw it downward one arc. Okay. So similarly, don't change its compass length. Keep on O now. We have finished for the P. Now we will take it from the O. and the both the lines is meet touching each other, that arc are touching each other, that two arc, what point we have, that let us join them. So this point and this point we have to join, and where it will touch this PO line, that is the midpoint of this PO, that is called the bisector. That point is very important, that point is M. So write down that point as M. So this is our half of the construction is finished. So I think all of you are getting it, what is the thing is going on. So next one, M is the midpoint of this PO. If you want, you can check it if you want. So here you can see total length is 10, so half of it is 5. So you can see it is a half of it, it is 5 centimeter only. So in this side also we have 5. Okay, now what is the next step? Next step is simple. Keep that M as a center, keep this point of the compass over here and measure this MO length. And one more important thing, this MO length what we have, okay, this MO length what we have and this MP length what we have, both will be similar. Both will be what? Similar. Both must be equal only. So now you draw one circle. So when you draw a circle from the M, you can see that M from the center M, when you are drawing a circle, it is touching that O point and P point. Not only these 2 points, it is also touching the previous circle what we have taken as 6 centimeter at a 2 point. This is the point and this point is nothing but our point of contact A. And this is the point what we have here is the point of contact B. These are the 2 points which is required. Don't bother about this line where it is touching, it is not important. For the circle where it is touching, that is the point of contact A, this is the point of contact B. Join this A to P and P to B. So join it. So P to B we have to join, and similarly we have to join from A to P. So when you will join the lines like this way, this is our required answer, that is tangent. So here P and PB are the tangent. So here I can write it down at the end. PA and PB are required tangent. Required tangents. Because from the external points we can draw the 2 tangents and we have drawn, and most importantly they have told us to measure their length also, means we have to measure their length of PA is how much and PB is how much. And if you will see that PA and PB must be equals to one another. If you see it clearly, it is 8 centimeter. If you will see that PA value is 8 centimeter, not only PA, the PB value must be 8 centimeter only, because we have already learned length of the tangents are equal. Okay, so PA is 8 and PB is also 8, so that I can write it down. PA is equals to PB, both of them are 8 centimeter each. This is the construction what we have done. So this is not the final answer according to the question. If you see it clearly, we have to measure the length, and according to the first main they have given that we have to write down the justification also. Here the construction is finished, but we have to write down the justification. To do the justification, here some construction is needed. This is our construction part is over, but for the justification purpose we have to join here OA. So justification we needed, so draw that OA. You can make it dotted line, or you can directly join also. This is OA I am joining because of what? Only for the justification, but it is not needed in the construction. So now all of you remember here what is that OA and OB is. So if you will not consider this outside circle, if you consider only the circle with the center O, OA and OB is called the radius of that circle. So both will be equal obviously. So you can write it down here. So here I have written radius, yes, in that I can write it down. OA is equals to OB, that is equals to 6 centimeter only, because it is the radius. So we have drawn that line. If you want, you can go through it. It is 6 centimeter and you can go with that. This is 6 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle, but this is not the answer because justification is needed. So I will write down the justification on the left hand side. Justification. So what we have to start it now? For the triangle, similar triangle, we are writing justification. Similarly here for the tangents also we have to do the justification. So let us see that what we have to take. So let me take this now triangle we have, that is APO, one triangle we have. Okay, and that triangle is forming on the M. There's M as the center of the circle. You can see from the M we have drawn a small circle. Yes, so center M of a circle, that is a circle we have. In that APO is one triangle. Similarly, we have PBO is one more triangle. And remember, what is this PO is refers to? This PO is referring to a diameter, because this PO line is passing through the center M. So it is like a chord. The PO is like a chord. It is passing through the center. So PO is a diameter. So you can write it down here. The circle with center M, not O, it is center M. Okay, center M. PO is the diameter. Therefore, you can see if a diameter on that, we have one angle. That angle is A. We have the angle as A. What is that angle A refers to? Because the angle PAO, the angle PAO, what is we have? It is having on the diameter. When it is having on the diameter, it is semicircle. You can see this is a semicircle. On that we have this angle. What is the angle of A measurement will be? That angle A measurement will be how much degree? 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because this angle A is forming on the diameter of a circle, or it is forming on the half of this circle or semicircle. So you can write it down, PAO is equal to 90 degree, and also you can take that PBO is also 90 degree, because it is also diameter on that we have that angle. So angle PBO is also 90 degree. You can write down the reason below, that is angle PAO and angle PBO forming on semicircle, or you can write down in bracket or diameter. This is our answer. This is the justification finished. This is only one justification. So we have considered one circle, that is the new circle with the center M. In the center M circle, PO is the diameter. On the diameter PO, we have that angle A, and angle B is forming on the diameter. So when it is forming on the diameter, any angle, it will be 90 degree. Not only here, if you draw it here also, that angle will be 90 degree only, which you have learnt in 9th standard. Okay. So I think you have understood this. If you have doubt, you can write it in a comment section, or you can contact me in the social media also. Instagram link and social media link is, Facebook link is given in the description. You can text over there also. So I have already taken the classes on AP, triangle lesson, circle lesson, linear equation, two variables already we have finished. So if you have a doubt, you can go through that and you can answer that. The link will be given in the description. So thank you for watching PSM. Please like, subscribe and share as much as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.